Morning, everybody. We're up here bright and early. A lot of people out, man. At least, I would say maybe about 200 cars showed up. We're about to head out to Orange County for this quick strike. We haven't done one in a minute, so this is going to be a hot one, man. Thank you all for coming up. Excited to see what's on the other side when we pull up to OC. Come walk with us. Check this out.
Yo, what's good, everyone? PML Quick Strike is coming to an end. We had a crazy turnout. It feels like the old days, you know, everyone's back outside. It was beautiful. Like I said, we brought some monsters out today, which you guys will see in this episode. Crazy whips. You guys seen the first Ferrari F8 on the BBS LMRs. I mean, it was a beautiful day. We had some whips, the LaFerrari, I mean, just to name a few, but shit was crazy. Again, we appreciate the support. We appreciate all the love. And we'll see you guys on the next one.